All right, Bob is a salesman. He is based in Atlanta. He has to fly to each city pictured below, and he has to return to Atlanta. So let's just go ahead and talk about what that really means. He's really going to do a Hamiltonian circuit. So he's hitting every city, all four of these cities, and going back to Atlanta. And when he does, that doesn't mean he's going to cross every I would say road, but it's not a road because he's flying. But he's not going to go across every edge, but he is going to hit every city. So it's a Hamiltonian circuit. So we are going to start in Atlanta and go back to Atlanta, and we want to find the cheapest route. So let's just start listing stuff and see what happens. What we're going to do is just list every single possibility, okay? So we could go Atlanta to Denver to Chicago to Buffalo, back to Atlanta. Convenient that we're using A, B, C, and D, right? And we could instead go Atlanta. Let's go backwards. A, B, C, D, A. That would be backwards from what we just wrote. And I'm going to write it, but in a minute, we're going to realize how completely useless that one is. And the reason it's useless, I'll go ahead and tell you, is because when we find the total for this one and the total for this one, they're going to be the same. So we are going to find every possibility, but there are always going to be duplicates if we go in reverse. So after this problem, we're going to avoid the duplicates as much as possible. Okay, so we have just done 2 of them. And now we're going to do, well, as many as we can. So let's go Atlanta to Denver. Let's try that. And then Buffalo, and then Chicago, and then Atlanta. And actually, we can reverse that, which is a little bit useless, but we'll do it this time. We could go A, C, B, D, A. So there's that one. And we'll do 2 more. How do I know there are 2 more? Well, it's funny you should ask. There's a reason there are only 6 of these. Technically 3 when we take out the duplicates. There's a reason. We'll talk about it later. So let's start in Atlanta again. So we've gone around, and we've also gone A, D, B, C, A, and the reverse of that, A, C, B, D, A. Let's go Atlanta to, this is getting tricky. Chicago to Denver to Buffalo back to Atlanta. That's a different way. A, C, D, B, A. That works. Have we done that one? No, we have not. And we'll also do the reverse. So A, B, D, C, A. All right, put some gaps in there so we can fill in the numbers. So the airfare from Buffalo to Atlanta and back, actually, well, and the reverse is also true for this. And I say that because this is not a directed graph. We don't have arrows. But the airfare from Atlanta to Buffalo was $199. The airfare from Buffalo to Atlanta in this picture is $199. So all my ABs are $199. Every time I see an AB, I'm going to put a $199 or a BA, same thing. $199, $199, $199. There are 4 of them. There's going to be 3 or 4 of each of these. Let's see. Atlanta to Denver is $149. So AD is $149. $149. 149. I think that's all of those. Oh, nope, 149 right here. Atlanta to Chicago is 185. 185, 185. So all the ACs and CAs are also 185, 185. And then we have Denver to Chicago is 271, 271, 271, 271. 271, and we have Buffalo to Chicago, 151. So BC is 151, 151, 151, 151, and Denver to Buffalo is 258, 258, 258, 258. Okay, we want to figure out the cheapest route. Wow, this is taking a while. There's a reason we call this the brute force method. That means we're just throwing everything at it that we can. So we're going to add these up. So 149, 271, 151, 199. When I add those up, I have 770. So this top one has a total dollar amount. We'll write it in green because it's money. Total dollar amount of 770. And then we'll do the same for this one, but let's be real honest. It's the exact same amounts in a different order. So also 770. And then we'll add this one up. So 149, 258, 151, and 185, and I have 743, and this is also 743. And then we'll add that one up, which is going to be the same as the one below it. 8 and 199, and this is 913, and this one is also 913. So let's actually answer the question. What is the cheapest route? And the cheapest route is, well, either one of these, depending on the direction you want to go, the order of it. So either of these is going to be the cheapest. We found the cheapest, and just to answer the question, I'll just simply circle it. We found two possible answers. Now, in the future, we are not going to do both answers. We're going to do one or the other. Okay, and I'm going to show you a different method for this next one. And it might look a little crazy, but it really helps us get all the possibilities.